Since both of you are single, anong tip mo sa kanya on how to get into the game and...
Parang hirap magbigay ng tips kasi parehas nga kaming single. Ibig sabihin, hindi gumagana. Hindi umuubra, pre. Parang
you?
Parang the blind leading. So, ito siguro sasabihin ko sa'yo. Huwag ka makipag-meet agad.
Yeah, I don't like that.
Text mates.
Huwag muna kayo mag-meet agad. Kasi doon mo malalaman yan eh. Yung intention ni Guy is gusto ka niyang makilala. Hindi ka naman niya kailangan makita pa eh. So gets ko yung iba, like I guess like some people would like to, like if you've never seen each other in person, parang gusto mo muna siya ma-vibe check kung actually physically attracted ako sa'yo.
Gets.
So for example, ganyan, may opportunity na pwede kayo magkita. Sure, di magkita ka, like for example,
Like a group setting.
like maybe an event or whatever,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
you're there, so magkikita kayo, sure. But like to actually go out on a first date,
One-on-one.
wag mo munang gagawin. As in, don't. Like, bayaan mo siya na makipag-chat muna sa'yo, kilalanin ka niya na and work hard for that first date.
Yeah, I agree.
Kasi kapag tumigil siya agad, makikita mo kagad yung intention niya na parang, hindi ako nakikita nito, tinatamad na siya agad. Ayaw mo actually ako kausap. Baka di mo talaga ako gustong yun. So,
That's true. That's
so
true.
i-delay mo yung first date.